Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate Google Drive with Grok Studio. If you're already using Google Drive for storing documents, images, or shared team folders, connecting it to Grok Studio can make your workflow much smoother. You'll be able to import files directly into your projects, keep everything organized in one place, and even let Grok AI analyze the information inside those files. The best part is that this integration is built in, so you don't need any third-party apps or complicated setups. Let's start with the initial connection. Head over to grok.com and log in with your account, or create one if you're new. Once you're inside Grok Studio, look for the paperclip icon. This is where you'll find the option to connect Google Drive. Click on it and select Connect Google Drive. You'll be asked to choose the Google account you want to link. After logging in, click Continue to grant Grok permission to access your files. Don't worry, this is a standard authorization process and you'll see exactly what permissions are being requested. Once you confirm, the window will close automatically and Grok Studio will send you a message letting you know the integration was successful. Now that your Google Drive is connected, you can start using it inside Grok Studio. For example, if you're working on a project and want to bring in files, open the project, click the paperclip below the chat, and choose Add from Google Drive. Select the files you want to import, whether they're documents, spreadsheets, or images, and they'll appear in the chat ready for you to interact with. This means you can ask Grok questions about the content, reference data directly, or build on those files without leaving the platform. If you're part of a team, the integration becomes even more powerful. Shared folders in Google Drive can be linked directly to Grok Studio so everyone sees the same files. To do this, go to your workspaces, click the paperclip labeled Attach, then choose Add from Google Drive and select the shared folder you want to connect. Once it's linked, all team members with access to the Grok project will also see the content of that folder. This keeps collaboration seamless and ensures that everyone is working with the same information. Another feature worth mentioning is syncing. Normally, when you update a file in Google Drive, you'd have to re-upload it to other platforms. With Grok Studio, that's not necessary. After importing a file, if you make changes in Google Drive, just go back to Grok Studio, right-click on the file, and choose Refresh. The newest version will load automatically. This saves time and ensures you're always working with the most up-to-date information. So, to recap, integrating Google Drive with Grok Studio gives you direct access to your files, lets you import them into projects, supports shared folders for team collaboration, and keeps everything synced across platforms. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and makes Grok Studio much more powerful for both individuals and teams. That's how you integrate Google Drive with Grok Studio. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.